At Haggai Truck Center, we're working on Old Yeller. This Peterbilt is getting some important upgrades. A brand new exhaust temperature sensor and gauge, plus a full valve adjustment. And of course, the bobble shark, Old Yellowfin, is here to keep an eye on the work. We performed a complete valve adjustment. This keeps the engine running right, improving performance and efficiency. Because even Old Yellowfin needs to breathe easy. Can't have him gasping like a goldfish out of water. Then we located the exhaust manifold port location where the new sensor will be installed. Next, we installed the exhaust temperature sensor securely to ensure accurate readings. Last, we routed the wiring safely to the cab and mounted the new gauge on the dash. This gives the driver real-time exhaust temperature data. Fire up Old Yeller, check the gauge, and verify that everything is running just as it should. Job complete! Old Yeller is back on the road, reliable, powerful, and shark approved. Repair today, drive tomorrow. Haggai Truck Center.